All right, we're back. We're going to take a look at this mold, see how it's doing. One thing I noticed was I didn't have all of the clips on, so some of that leaking was coming from some of the places I didn't have the clips. So I went and added all the clips back in, make sure I had them all there. But you can see some of it leaked out from these edges here. And I put these flat edges together, so there's no flat edge on the bottom or on the top. Now, right or wrong, I'm not sure, but that was the way I was going to hold them together. Maybe the flat edge should be flipped over to the bottom, but then I'm not sure how you hold the two sides together very easily. But regardless. So I've started taking it apart, started demolding. As you can see, these are the mold pieces. They're pretty simple. They're pretty straightforward. Corners in the mold. You put the little flanges to the outside. You can see how that kind of fits together. It makes a pretty good pretty smooth surface. Yeah. So taking it all apart, show you the edge that I've already pulled off here. And you can see that it's been 4 hours, I guess. The mold looks pretty good, pretty well formed. The inside looks pretty good. We'll just keep taking this off. All right, there's all of the mold pieces from around the sides are up. This is just the double stick tape and silicone on the bottom here that's coming up. Not too difficult. Just peeling that away. And then we're going to get to the moment of truth. Whether we are going to do okay with the silicone on silicone in the mold. Let's go ahead and take this off of this plexiglass if we can. Oh, that was easy. That sucker came right up. Set that aside. All right, so here is our big hunk of silicone. Now, let's see. What we're really hoping is that this is not stuck to the yellow one inside. So, let's see if, I'm starting to see it kind of pull. Oh, this is going to work, I think. Just kind of pulling at it a little, see if it separates. Oh yeah, I think we are going to have a success in doing this silicone on silicone. So it looked like it pulled away from the edge pretty easily. Now, the thing is, we have this center part is one piece of this whole mold, so we want to make sure we get this out as well. So I'm just going to kind of try to massage this a little bit. Oh yeah, that's separating pretty good. So I'm pushing it and pulling the yellow mold out. Push a little more on the inside. It's getting there. So be a little patient. I think. Oh, look at this! Wow, we got our mold out, our silicone mold out, and yeah, that bottom's is thin, but you can see that's our shape for our ice. Yeah, that's pretty thin. That ended up being Wow, that's real thin. And I was thinking maybe I'll do this again with a stronger or harder hardness silicone. I think this is 15A. And when I do it again, I'll definitely make sure to mix up more than that 600 total, so I have a good bit on the bottom here, because that's a little thin. It'll probably work fine. This is probably going to work, I think. I'm gonna pour some water in, and yeah, see, this comes all the way up. It's got the little flare that's the same as the Yeti. So yeah, we're gonna rinse this off, clean it up just a little bit, pour some water in, and let her freeze and see what happens. All right, so far success. If you enjoyed the videos, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified as soon as the next ones come out. Have a good one.